It is a Conqueror. It is a Conqueror.
There she is. She's massive.
Get the cables hooked up to the front!
Together, they are pulling with everything they have. But the desert is not giving up without a fight.
We did it! Finally out of the sand! Unbelievable! I really thought we would snap a cable. Look at the amount of grit in this traverse gear.
It is completely seized up here too. Easy does it, keep it coming straight. You have plenty of room. This section near the mantlet is down by 4 millimeters. The deep pitting goes right through.
This station's completely... It's a miracle it's still intact.
We need to look closely at the hull. Is that impact structure stable? We must preserve these original stress fractures.
This bolt is completely seized. Give me the impact wrench. Easy does it. Keep it steady. Keep it steady, draw it out. We need to cut back to the sound metal. This new plate fits perfectly. Looks smooth. Nice work.
The heart of the Conqueror is laid bare. Every component tells a story of service. Restoration requires absolute precision.
Rebuilding the skeletal force of a 65-ton Titan. Every component must meet absolute precision.
Steady on the cables! Just a few more inches. Hold it right there.
Initiating the primary drive test now. Perfect, we have full rotation.
Listen to that V12 roar!
Steady, bring it down. Half an inch to the left, half an inch to the left. Hold it right there. That's it, she's in.
This steel is over 60 years old. She's finally beginning to shine.
This tooth profile looks remarkably clean.
No pitting at all on the primary ring. The primary alignment is still a few mils off.
Steady on that side, watch the alignment. Line it up with the original mounting points.
Easy now, keep it steady. Half an inch left. Spot on, secure the bolts.
This is SCC-15 olive drab.
It must be exactly 2 inches.
The finish is perfectly even across the glacis. Good. Let's verify the turret markings now. Line it up with the bracket. Perfect. Now hold it right there. Direct power is restored to the main grid. Pressure is holding steady at 3,500.
She has never sounded better.
Hooking up the main diagnostic unit now. Excellent, run the full tactical ring check. All systems are green, traverse the turret. Power plant is fully operational.
The heavy Conqueror is finally ready. A legendary piece of history restored to its